My name's Rodrigo. This is my dad, John. We're at the Dennis Kirk garage show down in the cities. This is 1986 FXRD, 1 year only bike. He had it, how many years ago?
26 years ago.
The guy called you.
And the guy by the name of Mike, aerospace engineer in Virginia Beach, called and asked if I wanted the bike back because he said it was parked in the same spot for 25 years, never moved it, with an oil spot underneath it. I couldn't get there fast enough.
So my dad gifted me the bike. I said, holy cow, this is pretty sweet. We got to keep it going. Pretty rare. So that's when I took it down to the frame. Probably what, 5 hours? I had it down to the frame. I had it done by noon. Had it done to the frame. He's giving me the ins and outs, what to do. Did all the fab work at home. Did all the powder coating at home too, minus the wheels, the frame, the crash bar, and the swing arm. Otherwise, it was a show polish motor. Powder coated that to 117. The paint was done, his painter.
Copperhead Graphics in Cana, Virginia.
Yep.
He matched the original color. It's not black, it's called the BlackBerry, which everybody's looking for the paint coat, but they're not gonna get it. We kept the old school vibes, but has all the modern technology, GPS, speedo, and the M unit. My phone is actually the key fob to start it, you know, so stuff like that. It's got the bagger tranny, Bluetooth speakers and transmitter and all that. It's got the amp in it. Got the nice brakes, all LEDs all around, canceling turn signals. It's got all the bells and whistles. And the bike is pretty quick.
Runs really healthy, really good.
That's good.
Yeah?
Good.